All right, guys, I'm gonna do a quick recap for today. Not all in all of the trades. I had a interesting day. What's this? No, sorry. No, go away, go away, go away. Yeah, so Apple is gonna go break. The fuck, man. Are you serious? Yeah, Apple is gonna go through all-time high at 145.09. As you see, there's a huge ask here, and this huge ask. Um, Yeah, I'm long on it at 144.73. So that was a 920 trade that Brian did, and I took advantage of that. So Apple was really strong going up. It bounced back from this moving average on a 20 moving average on a 2-minute chart. We both bought long and popped up to the high of the day, sold some. I added more for the breakup high of the day, and then I added more and more and more, going all the way up to 145. And as you see, this huge ask is going to take an off, and then we're going to break toward 145.09 that we are here. So this is called 920 trade, and this is obviously all-time high on Apple. That if you look at it on the daily chart back in January 2021 was in there. So we're gonna break that one. Want to see the huge asks are here. This is a very bullish sign. It means that you want to break these, and as soon as it breaks out, the all-time high is at, I think something mentioned 104.09 or something. That's the all-time high. So as you see, I'm long here. Definitely 145C is gonna eventually take an up. Uh, Even though they are big sellers, these sellers are a very bullish sign. It means that they're asking higher and higher. It means that they're expecting the price to go up higher. Like a matador that brings this flag, red flag to the bulls. Come, 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 get it, because they know it's coming. So that's exactly like that red flag of a matador was doing it in Spain. Is it matador? Am I pronouncing it right or not? Yeah. Yeah, so that was the nice 920 trade. So, oh, there you go. Popped up too. There you go. So 145. So that's an all-time high in Apple. So setting some here. Very nice. So very nice. See, did you see the whole volume? All of those volume were taken off, taken out. So yeah, that was a really nice 920 trade. I did have a trade on it at the open as well, but for 1 minute open range breakup that I got stopped out. So opened the strong, came up above the VWAP, I went long, popped up, came back to the VWAP. I didn't skip partial out or anything. I added and then boop, dropped and I got stopped out. It really did bounce back and it became a really nice 5-minute open range breakup. So as you see, it really become a very nice 5-minute open range breakup. Um, but yeah, I just didn't trade it. But now, as you see, it's just keep moving higher and higher and higher. Let me use this epic pen. Okay, here it's here. Yeah, so you can just popped up from here. That became a really nice 5-minute open range breakup, and now it's just going all-time high. So I'm gonna hold it this one. This trade this is a strategy called 920. So you have to find a stock that has been running up for half an hour or something very strong. The first pullback to the 20 moving average on a 2-minute chart. This is Brian's signature trade. You can buy, and the first target would be the 9. And then if there is not a big drop, you can expect for a break of high of the day as well. So if the drop is huge, then you may not expect the break of high of the day. So maybe this next pop and then it goes back down. But in this particular case, this pullback was kind of a small. So that's why when we scaled out, I actually added more to my trade. So this is all one trade. I just kept adding it on these pullbacks. And now broke at the all-time high. Apple is very, very strong and very nice. So I'm in Peru, guys. Next week I'm gonna do climbing. Hopefully I can get some trading done next week. If not, after that we'll see how it goes. I do appreciate all the support in comments and likes in our YouTube channel. Thanks. If you have any question, just put it in the comments. And the reason that we're asking for likes in our videos is because the YouTube algos work that way. It brings it higher, the more engagement and the more positive engagement the video gets. So we really, really appreciate if you support our channel by liking or subscribing. And if you have comments, just leave it on there. So I'm in Peru. I did Machu Picchu 2 days ago, Rainbow Mountain 2 days ago, and now I'm in a small town called Huaraz. It's like Chamonix for Peru. It's just surrounded by all these beautiful mountains. So I'm gonna climb 3 peaks there and hopefully finish it by 18 and fly out on 18. See how it goes. All right, thank you so much, guys, and yeah, all the best, and see you. Have a good weekend. See you all in the chat Monday morning. Ciao.